to the bear of the flaming gorge. Heavenly is that sound, getting buried in this mud. We're over here at 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. This is about 80 degrees north, and we have a special invitation lined up for you this evening. I'm getting clues as to where I'm being taken. Yeah, Sunday is precious. Well, I hope we all find something that makes us powerful. Oh yeah. Have a good time. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Late at night when I'm asleep, I stay up and dream of you. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. Because I love you too, and I'm dreaming of you tonight. Come tomorrow, I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be. Here in my room, dreaming about you and me. Puppies.